Anthony, and today I'm bringing you back to a new video. Sorry, I'll be right back, okay? Sorry, guys, but today I'm bringing you with the Dyson DC33. And here is the Dyson number in America. Okay, I mean in Washington because I live here. And here is the code number. So it is a BT2 USDKA 0309B. So that's the code number. I picked it up. Now let's get started. So my room is very messy, as you can see. It's the floor. See all the stains? Those are stuff that I had to pick up with the vacuum. Bad plants. Okay. Woo! I almost picked up the cord with this. And this has the powerfulest brusher in the world. And when I first got this vacuum, it was broken. Okay, let me show you how. So, right here, it was over here. It didn't stand up all the way. So let me set it down real quickly. I'm going to put it the way it used to be when I first got this vacuum. So when I first got the vacuum, it would stand up like this. And the problem was, look, I'm going to lay the vacuum down real quickly. And look right there. It's down. It's not supposed to be that way. So then, you see that black button right here? Here. Let me turn the light for this. See that black button? If you pull that up while you're pushing the back button, so let me put you down right there. Oop. You pull right there, and this piece comes up. That was the problem. Right there, that comes up. And it was like this when I first got it. It's like that. So now let's put it back in the first position. And it was also clogged. Because we got this for free off Facebook. And the hose won't come up either. So, yeah. So, let's do the test. Okay. Here we go. I'm in my PJs because it's early in the morning, but my room is so messy. carpet. And as you can see, oh, that's okay. Right there, you see some of it were picked up. Because my room's not that messy because I barely ever get in here. My brother uses this room more than me, and it's not that messy. So, and now let's get out the hose, baby. Come on. I'll be right back. And now, I'll see you in a minute when I go to my mom's hard floor. Okay, let's go. Bye. Okay, I'm over here now. So let's sit down.
Oh my god, I'm pulling it up all the way. How? How?
Oh god, guys. Got the Dyson. morning, I'll have weird videos on the channel because I'm interested in different weird things. Okay? Alyssa, be quiet. I'm making a video. And I'll give you a hint for the next video. What was that? Okay. Then, the next video will have these two vacuums in it. The Dyson, the Shark, and the Hoover. Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye!